Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: enough free space and a connected backup target, like a USB drive or NAS. Once connected, open Start, go to Settings, then System and Storage to find backup options. Make sure Windows is up to date before continuing, because updates can change backup components. Now select the Backup Settings page and choose whether to use File History or Full System Image. This first step gets you into the right tool, so you can pick the backup type that matches your needs. Now configure the backup itself. Pick File History for personal files or create a system image to capture the full OS and programs. Once chosen, add or exclude folders, choose a schedule: daily for critical data, weekly for general use, and set retention rules so old versions are pruned. If using a network share, enter credentials and test the connection. Also enable encryption when backing up offsite, because that protects your data if the drive is lost. Make these decisions deliberately, since they affect recovery speed and storage use. Finish by running the backup and confirming success. Start the job manually the first time and watch for errors in the backup or event viewer. Once complete, verify integrity by restoring a small file or mounting the system image to inspect contents. If something goes wrong, check permissions, ensure the target drive is writable and connected, and confirm enough free space exists. If the system image fails, retry after disabling non-essential apps. For network errors, reconnect or reboot the NAS. Keep a secondary copy offsite for redundancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.